roots and culture. I tell the mass if you remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am. Well, they say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell the mass if them remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am. See ya, some man a sing bout how them boss love bout, them forget Jah and put them woman up front. There's a time and a place for everything. Whoa, see them a talk bout how them fire them gun and a talk bout how them boss Gatling. But I don't have no time to mingle and sing, 'cause I said I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. And tell the mass if you remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am. Yeah, just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. And tell the mass if you remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am. Remember how Jah sent Jonah and Elijah, Moses and Noah, Martin Luther King and Marcus too. Well, they never falter. The man they do them works and they move on. So I know they have feelings. I and I must carry on the words. Well, just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell the mass if you remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am. Whoa, just say I have a messenger to teach you youths about roots and culture. I tell the mass if you remember Jah, that's all I am dealing with. I am.
Them old vampires, bloodsuckers. Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered all of these. Them I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered the wears and tears. So long we've been working in them system, and still they don't care one damn how we're living. 'Cause for basic necessities we've got to fight, and in the midst of adversities we struggle to survive. Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered all of fears. They might try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered all of fears. They thought that they could wipe us out, and they carried us to enslave us, east, west, north and south, giving us bad food to eat, and having no decent place for us to sleep. But by the powers of the Most High, who guides and keep His children, keep on moving through the valleys deep. Still Babylon I try hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered all my fears. Babylon I hold me down for more than 400 years, but I and I overcome and conquered the weeds and tears. Hey, them old vampires, old bloodsuckers.
Save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. steal off the night with only one purpose, to take my life. Jaja, wake me up and open my eyes. Them couldn't take I and I by no surprise. Save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. Jah in my heart, Jah in my soul. Happy to know that Jaja in a full control. No need to worry now that I know nothing is impossible. Jaja everywhere I go, you save my life. Jaja, you save my life. You save my life. Jaja, you save my life. You save my life. Jaja, you save my life. You save my life. Jaja, you save my life. Deep in my distress, when I'm facing the hardest days, Jaja took away all the weakness and turned them in my greatest spell. I was down in the miry clay, nobody came my way. Jaja, you lift me up, turn me around. Now I can't stop this day. Save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. You save my life, Jaja, you save my life. Jah in my heart, Jah in my soul. Happy to know that Jaja in a full control. No need to worry now that I know nothing.
Keep the others and go through. Boy. Mental disturbance, manipulation got them stressed. And I see this day to day, people get caught up more than less. Oh Lord, trying to live up to the expectation of society. They lost them souls to vanity. No, not I could never caught up in their silly dreams or their valleys and flames. 'Cause I know that fire is not for sale. Lord, I'd rather be out in the cold than to sell a soul for a world of gold. 'Cause I never learned that from the king. I want you, put if a fever your bone, no, me say yes man. If I your arm brimstone, me say yes man. A lightning ball in the city of Vatican. If a fever your bone, no, me say yes man. If I your arm brimstone, me say yes man. 'Cause I'll never sell my soul for vanity. Well, yeah, this your freedom fire never stop burn. And you can't buy me out. And you can't buy me out. With you Benz and you Beamer and you bling bling me. I'll say that you move it and you innocent me. 'Cause you can't buy me out. And you can't buy me out. Put if a fever your bone, you me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. A lightning ball in the city of York. If a fever your bone, you me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. I'll never sell my soul for vanity. Oh, yo. Manipulation, mental disturbance got them stressed. And I I see this day to
when you've done all you can, still you can't get along. Seek the Lord and He will help. Just believe. When you lay down your plan, but it's all going wrong, turn to God and He will help. Just believe. He will take you higher, higher, higher. Just believe. Higher, higher, just believe, yeah. When your friends have all gone and you're left alone, say His name and He'll be there. Just believe. When the devil is near and you're overcome by fear, on your knees say your prayer. Just believe that He will take you higher, higher, higher. Just believe. Higher, higher, higher. Just believe that He will wash all the tears and make you smile. Hide all the fears inside, protect you from danger. That is all He promises. Wash all the tears and make you smile. Hide all the fears inside. All you got to do is believe that He will take you higher, higher, higher. Just believe. Higher, higher, higher. Just believe. When you've done all you can, still you can't get along. Seek the Lord and He will help. Just believe. When you've laid down your plan, but it's all going wrong, turn to God and He will help. Just believe that He will take you higher, 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 higher. Chatting through all these tribulations, only love in my meditation, only good in my intention. Yet them want make it look like I'm doing wrong. Oh, Jah, keep I under Thy armor, save I from that disaster, lurking around that corner. Oh, Jah, make I vision more brighter, so I can see more wider. My wise stone will be more wiser. See them there, and them a look contention. See them there, and them a make confusion. See them there, coming with them corruption. But I not take no part in their pollution. Oh, Jah, keep I under Thy armor, save I from that disaster, lurking around that corner. Oh, Jah, make I vision more brighter, so I can see more wider. My wise stone will be more wiser. Show me a place in this world
government no better than the robber where you stick up. Babylon always a move suspicious. They don't got no love, so they just can't get I trust. Oh, Jah, keep I under thy armor, save I from that disaster lurking around that corner. Oh, Jah, make thy visions more brighter, so I can see more wider. My wisdom will be more wiser.
Oh, let God arise, let his enemies be scattered. Let them also that hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, so drive them away. As wax melted before the fire, so let the wicked perish at the presence of God. But let the righteous be glad. Let them rejoice before God, yea, let them exceedingly rejoice. Sing unto God, sing praises to his name, extol him that rideth on the heavens by his name. Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie the First, our Father, strength and Redeemer, who lives and rules and reigns over all living things. A Father of the fatherless and a judge of the widows is God in his holy habitation. God setteth the solitary in families. He bringeth out those which are bound with chains, but the rebellious dwell in dry land. O God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, when thou wentest forth before thy people, when thou did march through the wilderness, Selah, the earth shook, the heavens also dropped at the presence of God. But even Sinai itself was moved at the presence of God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie First, the God of Israel. Though, O God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, did send a plentiful rain, whereby thou did confirm thine inheritance when it was weary. Thy congregation hath dwelt therein. Thou, O God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, hast prepared of thy goodness for the poor. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, gave the word. Great was the company of those that published it. Kings of armies did flee apace, and she that tarried at home divided the spoil. Though ye have lain among the pots, yet shall ye be as the wings of a dove covered with silver, and her feathers with yellow gold. When the Almighty God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, scattered kings in it, it was white as snow in Salmon. The hill of God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, is as the hill of Bashan, and high hill as the hill of Bashan. Why leap ye high hills? This is the hill which God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie the First, desireth to dwell in. Yea, the Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, will dwell in it forever. The chariots of God are 20,000, even thousands of angels. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, is among them, as in Sinai, in the holy place. Thou hast ascended on high, thou hast led captivity captive, thou hast received gifts from man, yea, for the rebellious also, that the Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, might dwell among them. Blessed be the Almighty God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, who daily leadeth us with benefits, even the God of our salvation, Selah. He that is our God is the God of salvation, and unto God, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, the Lord belongeth the issues from death. But the Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, O Father, strength and Redeemer, shall wound the head of his enemies.
Shopkeeper, what have you got? A little flour and some chicken back. I am so hungry, I got to cook a pot. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hey, hey. On a banana and 3 pounds of yam. From the other day, I feel like food day and yam. When I done with this, my belly must run. People, can't you understand? Hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. See, when I ain't got no food, it put me in a bad mood. Still, I won't force myself to be rude. I know Jah never give give a man more than he can bear. So I won't have to shed no tear. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. See well, hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Yes, got to give thanks and praise. I'm feeling much better now. Who feels it knows it, Lord. I never ever wanna be hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry. See, hungry me, hungry me, hungry me, hungry. Hungry me, hungry me, hungry.
I'll be that night. Oh, Most High God. Glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. For all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I pray, oh Lord, to face another day. Oh, Lord, give me strength to face another day. Carry on life's road, carry on my load. Give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on. Oh my Lord, oh Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Please tell me when I need. All help for ages past and all help for years to come, without whom I could not be. Maybe you're trying to leave you out of your life, but I wouldn't be so unwise. And so I promise to serve thee, oh my Lord, and I beg thee some mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day. Journey along life's road, carry my heavy load. Give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on. Oh my Lord, life has become a burden, living in this evil system. Oh Jah, please strengthen me. I dare not make it alone. I need you as my own. Oh Jah, I call on thee. Some are trying to leave you out of your life, but I wouldn't be so unwise. And so I promise to serve thee with all my heart, and I beg thee some mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day, to make it along life's road, to carry on my them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. Me burn a fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. The work goes for so long on them plantation, and me never get paid. Or gold they stole away, how many life them slay. Now them works and slap them in them face. Why are yes, you are your crew can go to well. Cause after we know under you colonial spell, and all those false doctrine that you compel. Hey, and all those books you stole away, all those kids you led astray. Wait on your judgment day. Bobby wrong. Me burn a fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. Me burn a fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. See ya, get to youth me, I beg you be wise. Cause pirates them we strike by night. I want come trick you with them black and white. Whoa Lord, hey. But be careful what you sign. Cause some things get you victimized, and it will get you paranoid. So burn them out, fire burn a weak heart. Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with the frown. We burn a fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with the frown. Boy, 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 see I know the work goes for so long on them plantation, and me never get paid. Of all they stole away, how many life them slay. Now the works they slap them in them face. Boy, them and them crew can go to well. Cause after we know under them colonial spell, and all those false doctrine that they compel. Yeah, yeah, well, all those books they stole away, all those kids they led astray. Well, wait on your judgment day. Miss a necktie man, fire burn a weak heart, Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. Hear me out, whoa, well, hear me out, yeah. Look now, people, hear me out, yeah. Oh God, yes. Who made the birds and the bees, sky and the sea? You and me will. Who made the moon and the stars, all creatures great and small? Jah who made them all. Till one take pride in destroying each other, living like savage every day. Ignorance in the spirit is holding us down, but what goes up, I know it must come down. Cause tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Hate and grudge can't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Oh yeah. Wanna make note of the issues affecting my people, leading them to evil. Hate and grudge, despise and dishonesty. Tell you that's not the way we wanna be. Wanna bring back the days when your love was down on earth. Wanna bring back those days when the heart of man
along the way. Ooh, well, Lord, the heart of man could be like the grave. The mind of a man could be so corrupt. Your best friend could be your worst enemy, and your enemy could be your best friend. Would I say tribal war won't stop the problem? Only love of God can solve it. Tribal war can stop the problem. Only love of God can solve it. Boy, too much suffering, too much suffering. You should know. Suffering man, the suffering man. About them they don't care a damn wrong era. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. You pushing his car, who should be in school. Instead he's wiping car glass. I know your pocket full of money, but you don't give a dollar when you pass. Come and tell them kiss out your this and kiss out your which part. Election time, you come around. You know every politician corner in town. Promise of better lives till you let us down. To the ground, 6 feet underground. Where is the future? You say you prepare for the future. Where is the better life to come? Show your gun and put me down. The suffering man, the suffering man. About them you don't care a damn round ever. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. The suffering man, the suffering man. About them they don't care a damn round ever. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. Try and feel like it exploit. Can't pay the bills you want and I like. Homeless no bed for sleep at night. And me hungry can't find no food to bite. Inna the ghetto where we sing so deep, surrounded by rapists, murderers, thieves. 10 mile a church, politics, street, and we can't get help from police. We need a change. Can't take it no more down here. We need a change. Support me, hands in the air. Suffering man, it's suffering man. About them they don't care a damn every day them come at this the ghetto youth. Kick them with the Gideon boat. Babylon crank up innocent them one shoot. Kick them with the Gideon boat. Come on. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. Fun racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. Fun racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. When you're brown stick around but them no like it when you're blacker. Choo Babylon art like a maca. White crime so high down in a jam rocker. Education they get to you them locker. Still perfect now live a merry maca. No man said them nah follow maca nah blacker. Run with them good man out a road a follow backa. Selector pull up back the tracker. Come on. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. All racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. If you say you're not muckle where the blink for. Married man go club then where the ring for. Me
Me no love on no youth out a road, them a move well at them. Me a sing this a song for. Well, it's life and riches and no time no for madness. Hail King Selassie, burn out your madness. When I will be enough of them can't deal with, and we a blaze up this slackness. You know here, justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see the poor get exploited. On racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. Justice, chanting for equal rights. Tired to see poor get exploited. On racism between black and white. Full time now we unite. You can't stop me on the mission, me the pan remember. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The work must go on. Me bun the evil where them practice. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil where them practice. You see the rain a fall, you see the sun a shine. I just your works, I just your works. Yaga yo, speech to the dumb and give sight to the blind. I just your works, I just your works. Remember that I uplift your standard, so you could have had it in your sandals. Bun hypocrite and bun scandal. Man have a clean at me iritical yo yo. The work must go on. No care how them try stop this. The work must go on. Me bun the evil with them a practice. The work must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil with them a practice. Yo, them not have no love in a them. Bloodsucker vampire be a grudge in a them. Them don't love the youth, them not have no hug in a them. The words on me mouth we call them pussy in a them. The work me come be published, connected to the public. Me no come here for no lula lady, say I no lavish. Yes, it is my wish. Love me preach and practice. All across the world like this me brandish. Yaga yo. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil with them a practice. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil with them a practice. Jah give me the strength and give me the power, give me the energy, yeah. Every minute, every hour, Jah tell me, say, wicked man a get devoured, can't get away. Stand up and face your judgment day, but the righteous will be shining like a star above. Travel through the earth with the brotherly love. Can't stop Rasta with Zion love and Selassie I shoulder sit the white dove. Jah works must go on. No care how them try stop this. Jah works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. Jah works must go on. No care how them try stop this. Jah works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I Jah Rastafari. Sit up in Mount Zion I rule over you and I will give life to the bird.
Them a fight me, I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me, I can feel it. Chewy and them na link, and Chewy and them na drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them na go see it, oh no. Sabotage, them a sabotage. Why them have to make it look so hard? I don't know. Just do it now, come on them yard. We make them push us around like fraud. Them a draw bad card. Just do how we get the applause. Them a fight me, I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me, yeah. I can feel it. Chewy and them na link, and Chewy and them na drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them na go see it. Oh, go I and I not carry no hate. You know I really got to get things straight. Them not clean now. Missy said them not clean. Rasta people know I a child for a reason. Hey, them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah see it. Oh no. Nothing where them try it just nah work. No powers higher than Rastafari, not above, not below, neither on this earth.
Them trying
to make it difficult for I. Little did they know Rastafari will carry I through. Yeah, yeah. For the darkest part of the night, yeah, yeah. It's just when King Rastafari gonna shine his light. Yeah, yeah. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. I can feel it. Chewy and them
carry the night throughout all times and all seasons. Rastafari.
It is a world of darkness. King Selassie I shine his light, boy. Show the world its righteousness, and yet them still a deny. And when the struggle gets rough and tough, tell me who they gonna call. Why? The perfect example amongst mankind, Selassie I. Farai, boy. Never leave Farai, boy. Farai, boy. We have to hail behind. Farai, boy. Never leave behind, boy. Farai, boy. Make we hail Farai. If I in I part, oh Rasta, keep I in thy path. Protect I when I start, go and direct I in thy thought. And I will do my part and be upright when I walk. Forever in my heart, all thy precepts I and I start. Farai, boy. Never leave the eye, boy. Farai, boy. Never leave the eye. Farai, boy. The well never run dry. Farai, boy. Me a feel the eye. They that trusted in the Most High and desire to do no wrong, they will be lifted up so high, forever strong. Like mountains around about thee, he will be a shield and a tower, a Rastafari power. Farai, boy. Never leave Farai, boy. Farai, boy. We have to hail the eye. Farai, boy.
world we die. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world we die. Tired to see children dying. I'm tired to see mothers crying. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Please take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take it away, take it away. Oh, Jah, take away, yeah, from this land of bondage. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Tired to see children dying, tired to hear mothers crying. They took iron knife from Africa and bring iron knife in bondage. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, walk through this world with I.
Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. I got it fully on the ways control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh, 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 Lord. Yeah, oh, well. Hey, as I journey down life road, yes, I call on Jah to with me carry my heavy load to where sweet waters flow, yes, because the road is a rough and winding road. I don't care what they say, and I don't care what they do. Would I do that I'm treading through? Jah, I found a friend in you, yes. Ooh, hey, hey. Ooh, hey, oh, Lord. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh, hey, oh Lord. Rise me up this morning, give thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, give thanks to see the day is done. Cause the time is so perilous, mankind is so dangerous. In this time you don't know who to trust, no. But it's so easy to give thanks and praise to Jah every day, oh yes. It's so easy to give thanks and praise to Jah every day, oh Lord. Jah say lift up ye gates, and the King of glory shall come in. And behold, I lifted up these everlasting doors. And I know He flourished me, and He set me free. So now I can go on along my way and sing. It's so easy to give thanks and praise to praise to Jah every day, oh Lord. I'll never be ashamed to call upon His name. I'll never be afraid to shout it out in the highest crowd. Oh, He's the King of Kings. Oh, He's the Lord of Lords. Oh, He's the conquering lion, and He's the rock of Sharon. And it's so easy to call upon His name and never be ashamed. Jah be proclaimed, why would la 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 la, she be do ba do ba do well. La 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 la, she be do ba do well. Jah rise me up this morning, give thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, give thanks to see the day is done. Oh, the time is a very loss. Hey, mankind is so dangerous. Oh, I know in this time, I know you don't know who to trust. But it's so easy to give thanks and praise to Jah every day, oh Lord. And it's so easy to give thanks and praise.
You know I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I fear no evil. Rastafari never partial fi burn them wicked people. Protect me, Jah, from my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah, my emperor. Protect me, Jah, from my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah, you are my emperor. When I look to the consolation, now is the time for emancipation. Marcos teach us repatriation, not the only way for self-creation. When we are fight Babylon, we burn confusion. She said them a increase the earth pollution. Black man, black woman in prostitution, in a prison house institution. Them don't like me, show me a chant for free man. Hail King Selassie, I'm a burn the demon. Genocide nation against nation, wonder which one of my brother feel lead man. Protect me, Jah, from my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah, you are my emperor. Protect me, Jah, from my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah, you are my emperor. That's why the king we a follow. Cause nowadays you can't even trust your shadow. Many start beg, many start borrow. Many give today and then no sure about tomorrow. But still me know say life will conquer death. Never see the love of Jah get conquered yet. It's a plan where dirty Babylon set for millions of life get take. She's up in a righteous way. Protect me, Jah. Watch my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah. You are my emperor. Protect me, Jah. From my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah. You are my emperor. So protect me, Jah. Watch my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah. You are my emperor. Protect me, Jah. From my friends and I watch my enemies. Protect me, Jah. You are my emperor. No grudgeful, no bad mind, no grudgeful. Anthony B. send me cup full up now. Alright. Never gonna whoop your man and go aisle up. Bun bad mind and tell them, say them time up. Big up me black brother where ya climb up. Me nah go sit aside and swallow no aisle nut. keep the faith. Keep on holding on, me never gonna hope your man go bam. Just to get a thing in a palm. I got yo, keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, do me brother no harm. Hey yo, bun the 666, me bun 69, 9 to 5. Me a juggle out there, ya look mine. Cho, day to day, shut up and borderline. Me have to boom, give thanks to King Selassie the divine. Cho, make it never dwell up in a no crime. Must see sick, you must see blind, must see. Hey, judgment time, yo, seek and you shall find. Me yes a man have a next man and a place. Keep the faith. Keep on holding on, me never gonna hope your man go bam. Forget no money in our palm. Inside my palm. Oh, keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, no, me brother, no harm. Wait, hey! Oh, the youth, he ma shine so shine. Oh, the youth, he ma climb so climb, climb. Oh, the youth, he ma guan so guan. Oh, the youth, he ma galang so galang, 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 galang. Sin. Man, God bless. God bless me do my work and Jaja do the rest. Me Jaja will the contest. Truth manifest. Truth manifest. Me never bow, me never dwell up in a them filthiness. Keep the faith. Keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bam. Just to get it in a me. Forget that thing in my palm. You must mad me no survive. Keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hope your man go bam. Nah, don't me brother no harm. No, I don't. Alright, me never gonna hope your man down.
Yes, he speaks with me through the window, and I know he's here when the wind blows. And how I know it's true was when my doves go. When Babylon roosters crow, they lie 3 times and know that's how it goes. I went to bed first night and I rise first light with a spiritual healing. And as another tune, write a Bible dove tune, my voice and none of my melody stealing. As how they give Shana the light, if they just give by a mic, they would know that this melody is reaching. Dance all over the earth, and reggae music that keep bands beating, cause he speaks with me through the window. And I know he's here when the wind blows. And how I know it's true, when my doves crow. When Babylon roosters crow, they lie 3 times and know that's how it goes. To how the music sweet like the food we ever eat. No one noticed that the sun start burn. My incense push them to a peak, but the music got them feet. Let they say this vibe must be a journey. Take to the street, berries in their beak, picking seeds from the wheat, drinking water from the fern. When I heard one said a birdie can be herdy, but surely not worthy if don't catch a worm. Cause he speaks with me through the window, and I know he's here when the wind blows. And how I know it's true was when my doves flew. When Babylon roosters crow, they lie 3 times and know that's how it goes. Hey, whoa, 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 yes, he speaks with me through the window, and I know he's here when the wind blows. And how I know
When Babylon roosters crow, they lie 3 times and you know that's how it goes. Yeah. I went to bed first night and I rise first light with a spiritual healing. And as another tune, right a babble dove tune my voice and none of my melody stealing. As how they give Shana the light, if they just give by a mic, they would know that this melody is reaching. Dance all over the earth, and reggae music that keep bands beating, cause he speaks with me through the window. And I know it's in the window. And how I know it's true.
So ungrateful after all that God has done for you. And how can you be so unruly knowing He controls your destiny? Yeah. In the stars His handiwork I see, and on the wind He speaks with majesty. And oh, what a wonderful feeling, if only you could see. Only you could see. It was ordained for us to live in peace, not to hate each other, living like beasts. Why do we fight every day, not living the Father's way? Living the Father's way. How can you be so ungrateful after all that God has done for you? And how can you be so unruly knowing He controls your destiny? Out of love and grace He gave us life that we can live, yeah. But we don't appreciate love, so we're living hatred and love. No love. It was ordained for us to live in peace, not to hate each other, living like bees. Why do we fight every day, not living the Father's way? Yeah, yeah. How can you be so ungrateful after all that God has done for you? And how can you be so unruly knowing He controls your destiny? I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying weeping my soul. It took a little time and I realized that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years I've been without. Gets out sometimes and all my doubt. Yeah. There was no one for me. No one but the Holy Company. And I know that as long as He is not fair, But you might forget thyself. Take up the cross and come. Let's journey into the beyond. And I know that as long as He is my friend, my soul will be secured until the end. Yes, I know that as long as He is my guide, under His wings of love I will abide. Oh,
why? Rastaman upon pagans, so I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. All the eyes be no God, so mythology and illusion I'll be always burning. Corruption and confusion will be shown in the ash bin. Can't fool the Rastaman with your false doctrine, your false teaching. Oh, what a sin thing. Justice in disguise, it's salvation that is seeking. From the throne of David, yeah, it's obvious that you're drifting. You have no respect for the King of all kings, so His name I'll be always exalting. So I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the Dalitans say. For Emperor Selassie I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. Never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. All the eyes be no guys, so I'll never go astray from my roots and my culture. Neither will I forget my homeland, Mama Africa. So go me can go and separate from the vipers, from the hypocrites and from the vampires. Hail the King of Kings, for He give it all the powers. Born in Ethiopia, look, it's written in the scriptures. Who are the righteous? Hey, they are the truth seekers. Woe be unto you, boss leaders. So I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the Dalitans say. For Emperor Selassie I trust and obey. Rasta words are pure substance. I'll never go where the pagans go. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the wicked heart say. Neither will I walk in the council no day. Allah is my guide, so I'll never go. I'll never go. I'll never go where they go. Oh, I'll never stray. No way, no day. Yo, I'll never say what they said. Oh, I'll never go where they go.
He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the tides that ebb and flow. Yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, 'cause Jah is with me. Thy rod and thy staff they comfort me. Splashing, dashing, restlessly, never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad, sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restlessly, never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad, sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well, love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the tides that ebb and flow. Though so strong and great you are, love, 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 stretching deep, wide and far. Tiny vessels safe you keep, rocking them gently as to sleep. Wild and rough though you may be, when you are angry mighty sea. When the storm is gone we find you're still a playmate kind. Splashing, dashing, restlessly, never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad, sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restlessly, never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad, sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well, love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the tides that ebb and flow. Splashing, you dashing, you restless.
Like a natural mystic. Whoa, yes. Feel that train in a blow, it blow my way. Bring some blessings today. It's a natural mystic blowing through the air, and you feel it if you are aware. Jah love is in my heart, and I grant it to my brethren today. Teach them to walk in your way. Jah, you're truly great, and their eyes can see that you spread your blessings all over me. Yeah, Jah, you're truly great, and your eyes can see that you spread your blessings all over me. Almighty Jah, the road I tread is rocky, and the hills I climb are steep. But whenever that my foot slip, you were always there to catch me. And I'm riding on my back, riding on your king's highway. And when your countenance around me, you make me jump and shout and sing. Jah, you're truly great, and your eyes can see, yes, that you spread your blessings all over me. Aye, Jah, you're truly great, and your eyes can see, yes, that you spread your blessings all over.
Yes, I want to know why opportunity is such a scarce commodity. Yaga, 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 yo. Somebody tell me no, why there is so much discrimination in society. It seems like there's no love, just hate and grudge, not even a hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love. What is, what was, not even a hug for the poor people. I tell you, Mama want to send her youth to school, but she can't find 1 cent. Capture piece of land, she couldn't afford for parent. Papa cut me glass, he never have the patience to sit around and watch the kids grow distant. Grow without a father, Mama turn the replacement. Single mother, she a do it from Asian. Teach us to work hard, not be complacent. Stand up and be proud and make us. Seems like there's no love, just hate and grudge, not even a hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love, was not even a home for the poor people. Yes, I plan to make my mama proud. She's always on my mind when I touch the road. There's certain things in life I never grow to afford, but I come to change that mode. Mama said, son, go for what you want. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't. So in all the hills I never get the opportunity to plant. So the microphone to come here. It seems like there's no love, no love, just hate and grudge. Not even the hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love, no love. What is, what was, not even the hug for the poor people. For me, I grow up, we never get no help from orange and green. Every politician to the poor people, them mean. Mere promises, them left and we seen. Mere patrol in the road, not even Baba Green. Mama walk down her boot till it lean. Sunday evening, she a look callaloo, figure steam. Stand up and work hard, cause me got means. Mama feel live like it seems like there's no love, no love. Just hate and grudge, not even the hug for the poor people. It seems like there's no love,